Hello, my name is Diane Lafferty, and I'm a licensed clinical social worker in private practice in Watertown, Connecticut. I'm here today to talk about breath. We all breathe, but have you ever thought about using breath as an effective tool in helping to alleviate the symptoms and the signs and the stressors of our everyday life, of the big things that happen to us, such as going through medical issues, concerns about what our world looks like right now, as well as the small things like maybe being stuck in traffic. Using our breath can be a very effective tool for our coping skills toolbox, and I'm here today to teach you a very simple technique. Most of the time when my patients come in, they're not breathing very effectively. They do just enough. They're very little shallow breaths up in their upper chest, just enough to take in oxygen and not enough to really be effective in keeping our body in the parasympathetic nervous system mode, the rest and digest, versus being in the sympathetic nervous system mode where we don't feel safe and our heartbeat starts to ramp up and we're not doing the things that we can to feel safe, relaxed, and calm. So what I'm going to ask you to do right now is put your hand on your chest just very easily and just recognize your normal, regular breathing. Are you breathing up here or are you breathing into your belly? Now I'm going to ask you to take your hand and put it onto your belly and take a good deep breath in. And then breathe out, taking your navel to your spine and really expelling that carbon dioxide. When we hold that carbon dioxide in, we're actually amplifying the effects of anxiety. We're actually creating more stress in our body because there's not enough room for the oxygen to get back in our lungs. So this square breath that we're going to be working on is actually going to allow us to take a good deep breath in for a count of 4. And then we're going to hold that beautiful oxygen in our body wherever it needs to be. And then when we blow out through pursed lips, we'll be taking our navel to our spine, activating our diaphragm that's going to push out the carbon dioxide from our lower lobes of our lungs. And then we'll be resting for a count of 4. So I'm going to be directing you and counting, and I'm going to ask you to just close your eyes and focus on your breath. Our goal here is going to be to connect the head and the heart by getting ourselves in a calm and quiet place. So right now, I'm going to ask you, just notice what you notice in your body. Are you feeling stressed at all? Do you have any tension, perhaps in your neck or maybe your shoulders? Maybe your belly is feeling a little bit out of sorts or you're struggling with some issues there. Just notice, no judgment. That's not what this is for. It's not to judge. So now that we've noticed, kind of settle in, wiggle in your chair, get yourself comfortable. Maybe pull your shoulders up to your ears and then let them float gently down your back. Put your feet on the ground and get grounded. And I'm going to ask you, if you feel safe and if you feel comfortable, just close your eyes. Remember, no judgment. Now just take a good deep breath in and blow it out. One more deep breath in and blow it out. Now, in 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, blow it out. 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4. Breathe in that oxygen. 2, 3, 4, and hold it in your body. 2, 3, 4, blow it out. 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4. Blow out. 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4. Breathe in that beautiful oxygen into your lungs. 2, 3, 4. Hold it in your body. 2, 3, 4. Navel to the spine. Blow it out. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. One more time. In. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Blow it out. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Now just resume normal breathing. And notice what you notice in your body. Has anything shifted for you? Perhaps you feel less tension in your shoulders. Maybe your stomach feels a little bit more relaxed or safe. Maybe your neck isn't so tight. No judgment, whatever it is. This is a practice. This is something that you can utilize anytime you don't feel safe. So if you are in the middle of perhaps going through chemotherapy, this is something that you can do as you're sitting in the chair. If you are in the grocery store and you are feeling like you're getting tense and anxious, feel free to use your breath. It will allow you to calm down. Now, what I recommend is that you practice this breath 3 minutes in the morning, 3 minutes in noontime, 3 minutes at night before you go to bed. If you start your day using this beautiful, powerful breath, you are going to get yourself on the right track to start your day. If you use it around noontime, maybe anything in the morning that came up for you, you can release it and let go of it. And if you practice it at night before you go to bed, this is going to set you up hopefully for a good night's sleep. If you wake up during the night, as many of us do, and our brain starts to go, this is a wonderful opportunity for you to use this breath and for you to get yourself back in a calm place where you are feeling safe and those thoughts are not overtaking you. But again, the more you practice, the more relaxed your body will get automatically when you start to breathe, because it says to you, oh, that's that thing that makes me feel better. Wonderful. If you can put yourself in that wonderful place, you will feel more calm, more relaxed, and more in control in a time when we might be feeling pretty out of control. Now, we can add another layer to that if you want. And one of the things that I love to do with this is just to use a little bit of imagery. So when we're breathing in, we breathe in a beautiful light. We breathe in that beautiful light that surrounds us, healing light, whatever color it is, it's all up to you. I'm going to use white because for me, that's what works for me. But you could use gold, pink, blue, whatever you want. And then breathe that beautiful healing light in and hold it in your body. Send it wherever would need the most healing to take place. So if you are struggling with a medical issue, perhaps you want to send it to that place in your body that needs that healing. If you are feeling extremely tense and stressed, maybe your shoulders need it. Send that beautiful light there. When you blow out, navel to the spine, blow out a color of something that no longer serves you. It could be a color, it could be words, it could be a feeling, whatever you want. This is all you, and there's no judgment. So once again, we're going to practice the breath, and I'll be leading you through it for about another minute again. But this time you're going to add the beautiful healing light and then blow out what doesn't serve you. So get ready, sit down, get comfortable, let your shoulders float down your back. Take a good in breath, release. One more in breath and release. Now breathe in that beautiful light. 2, 3, 4. Hold it in your body. 2, 3, 4. Blow out what doesn't serve you. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe that beautiful light in. 2, 3, 4. Hold it in your body. 2, 3, 4. Release what does not serve you. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold that light. 2, 3, 4. Blow out what doesn't serve you. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in the light. 2, 3, 4. Hold it in your body. 2, 3, 4. Blow out what doesn't serve you. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. One more time. In. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Blow out. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. And now just resume your normal breathing. And recognize in this moment, has anything shifted for you? With breathing in that light and releasing what no longer serves you, has anything moved? Are you feeling calmer? Are you feeling safer? Are you feeling like you can handle whatever comes up next? Practice this wonderful breath. We always have it at our disposal. It's free. It's easy. It just takes a little practice, and it is so worth it. So now I am going to ask you, be well, be safe, and most of all, be kind to yourself.